Hello friends, welcome to my channel SolidWorks tutorial. Today we gonna solve exercise number 49. We will use SolidWorks 2020 for designing this part. This free SolidWorks video tutorial will help you learning 3D CAD designing. In this video you will learn the use of various SolidWorks tools like construction lines, circles, rectangle, pattern, circular pattern, and extrude. We will use only one sketch and one extrude command for completing this exercise video. First, we are going to draw the top view of the part. Let's start. Click on New Part. Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Now go to Material Setting and select your desired material, and close the window. Left-click on the top plane and select Sketch. Go to Sketch menu and select Circle command. Draw circles like this.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 245.5 millimeters. Diameter is 72 millimeters. Take center line command and draw lines like this. Take center rectangle command. Distance is 20 millimeters. Height is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Make coincident. Distance is 40 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension. The sketch is fully defined. Press OK.
Select liner sketch pattern. Select these entities to pattern. Pattern distance is 20 plus 5 equal to 25 millimeters. Number of patterns is 3.
Press OK.
Still these rectangles need to define.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 5 millimeters. Now take circular sketch pattern command. Choose pattern path. Clear selections. Select these entities to pattern. Number of patterns is 6.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Extrude height is 10 mm.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations.
This is the part which we were trying to build. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.